to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by today to check out my video. So from the title we know, I am unboxing my AIA Influencers box here. This is a monthly subscription that costs $38 a month, and every month they have a different brand kind of do like a takeover. So we get different brands every month to try out, and we get quite a few products in this box to actually try out. So if you're not familiar and this is your first time checking it out, let's get into it, right? Alright guys, so here's a quick sneak peek. So guys, I'm going to start out with our first product out of this box here. So this month the brand that took over was Purlisse. And they have been in some of our Ipsies and our BoxyCharms, so if you subscribe to those, you're probably familiar with them from there. So the first product that I pull out, I have a pineapple gel cleanser, and this cleanser has a retail value of $18, and it says reveal a brightened and supple skin after one wash. So it says our pineapple bright cleansing gel gently removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils, which is pretty cool. It's enriched with pineapple and is loaded with vitamin C, lemon, curcuma, and aloe vera. This is not your only purified pores, but improves the texture, and it also works beneath the surface to fight free radicals, reduce skin damage, inflammation, and improve the signs of premature aging. Bonus, it smells so good that you'll be looking forward to making this a part of your regular skincare routine. So I've never used this particular product from Purlisse, so this will be my first time, and it says that this product is good for all skin types, which I think is a plus. I want to see what it really smells like. They said it smells so good, so let's see what it smells like. Do they have a safety seal? Yes, they do. What's it cost, darling? There's a safety seal, which is great. Oh, it does smell. It reminds you of like a pineapple soda smell. And at least that's what it smells like to me. It's like a pineapple soda. That kind of pineapple smell. That smells good though. I can't wait to try this one out. So I can't wait to add that to my list to try out. So let's get on with our next one. So guys, our next one I'm going to pull out. This is the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So it says this mask, it says it gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, and exfoliates and purifies, which I think is great. This has a $35 retail value. Wow. So basically they said they recommend you use this 2 to 3 times a week, and it says it renews and refreshes your skin with the matcha green tea lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. It's packed with green tea, lemon, white clay, and white tea. This mask will pull out impurities more than a cleanser could, leaving your skin bright and purified, smooth, and silky soft. So I think that's pretty awesome. I don't know if this has any smell to it, but let's pop it open and see. Why not? I don't have nothing else to do, so we'll check it out. Oops. Let's see. This doesn't really have a smell. It's a scent there, but it's so light that I barely smell it. I would say maybe I smell a little bit of the lemon. Yeah. Yeah, I smell the lemon. And that's probably about all I smell. I don't smell any green tea or anything like that. So that's product number 2 we just pulled out of here. And again, that was a $35 value. So that was a pretty pricey one out of there. So let's grab the next one. The next one is the Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. And this one here has a $24 value. And it says this brightens and rejuvenates dull looking skin with our pineapple brightening gel cream. This is a lightweight oil-free cream. It's enriched with active ingredients like pineapple, vitamin C, camu, or whatever that is, and aloe vera. I'm sure I butchered the name. And It's to help calm inflammation. It delivers intense moisture, visible, improved signs of aging, and purifies the pores. So that's pretty good. So it's a lightweight gel cream, and they say this is good for oily and normal skin. And they say even sensitive skin can use this product, which is awesome. So pretty cool. All right, let's go to our next ones. Oh, and this one here is the body butter. I love body butters. So this one is the coconut and turmeric body butter, and this one has a retail value of $24, and it says treat yourself by awakening your skin with this super smooth silky body butter for all skin types. The full body spa treatment includes hydration, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while the turmeric helps reduce inflammation, and the fruit extract also promotes elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness to keep your skin looking and feeling better. So that's pretty cool. Let me take the safety seal. I would actually like to try some of this on my hand here. Let's see, I like shea butter. Is it a shea butter kind of product, or it just has the coconut oil in it? Okay, just the coconut oil. It does feel very light, guys. It's not heavy at all. It's very light. Yeah, I do smell, I don't know, that it smells, I don't know, it smells like citrusy to me. I don't smell any coconut oil. And my hands, they're hydrated. I can still snap, so it's not greasy or anything, so that's a plus. I think this would be perfect for the summertime. It's a pretty lightweight. I feel a little bit of oil in it, but it's not heavy. It's kind of light. So that's probably perfect for the summertime. So your skin doesn't get, your skin pores and everything doesn't get clogged and everything with the oil. So this should be like a plus. So that's $24, guys. And our very last ones, we have some hand sanitizers they gave us. So we have a scented antiseptic hand sanitizer mist. They gave us 3 here. And it says that these are multitasking hand sanitizers. They kill 99.9% of germs, which, you know, this is the hand sanitizer season for the last couple of years. This has been our life, so I think this is a good thing to put in a box for people. So we have papaya turmeric is the first one. And we have green tea ginger is the second one. And we also have watermelon lemon. They have very refreshing names though. Let me see what this stuff smells like. Oh, you can smell the ginger in this papaya turmeric. Or maybe it's the turmeric smell. I think it's the turmeric. I don't smell any papaya. Yeah, that one has a very strong smell to it. I would say it's the turmeric probably. And then we have the green tea. Let's see what that one smells like. That one smells a bit more clean. I like this one better. It has a more clean scent to it. I like that one. And finally, the watermelon one. This one also has a nice fresh scent to it. So guys, the hand sanitizers are $8 each, they say. Or is that $6? It is, no, $8. They're $8 each. You get the 3. You get your body cream here. We also have our gel cream, the pineapple gel cream. We have a cleansing gel. We have the charcoal mask. And our box was $38 for the whole month. I think that was pretty good. We got a lot of good products in here actually. So guys, let me know what you thought about this month's box with the AIA bundle. So we had Purlisse in here and they did the box takeover. We got some really awesome products. I'm really looking forward to the hand sanitizers because I was running low, so that was like right on time. And we got a nice body cream and a cleansing gel and a mask. So, oh yeah, and a face cream as well. So I think that was a pretty good deal. I don't know if any of you have used any of these products before. If you have, let me know in the comments how they worked out for you. This will be my first time, not with the brand, but using these particular products that we got in this box. I believe I had one of their cleansers before that we got through BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something. But this is my first time trying out this many products from them at one time. So I think that's pretty cool, and I do like the fact that the AIA box does allow you to like try out a different brand every month. So that gives you a good variety to try out from the brand and to see if you really like the products, which I think is great. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. It does help my small channel here grow on YouTube. But until next time guys, I will see you at my next video. Bye!